Welcome to Real Life Investing. This is Al getting in contact with you guys today. Going to talk to you about some Turbo, and we're going to be talking about Toshi. So these are two meme coins that apparently look like they're on the way up, and we'll just go ahead and break them down real quick. Remember, whatever you see on the channel is not financial advice, but also we ask that if you so desire, we just ask you to like and subscribe to the channel. We're growing, and we just ask you to help us to make our growth possible. Because of you, we've gotten this far, and because of you, we can make it even further. Appreciate you guys. Now, let's go ahead and start looking at this on the 1 day. Currently, right now, Turbo is at up 12% on the day. I'll just click on it. Let's see where we're at right now. Oh, 7 day is up 28%. We got, over the month is up just 1%. So that kind of gives you an idea that this has been down for a while. So if you have been looking to invest in Turbo, it's not too late to actually, make a profit on this guy. So just a little bit of a heads up on that. Let's take a look at the 1 year. The 1 year, it is up 18%. So just giving you a heads up that this thing is catching a lot of momentum. So it's definitely got wind in the sails. So keep that in mind. Turbo is starting to come forth with the profits. But some of us who've been in it for a while, it's looking better and better, just saying. Now, let's go ahead to Toshi and take a look at what we have here. Now, according to what we see today on Toshi, this is going to be up 8%. Let's go ahead and take a look. 16% on the week. And let's see on the month. On the month, it's down like 2%. So that's actually pretty decent for us. Anytime we can see red, that means that we can eventually turn it around and make a profit. So that's what we're looking forward to. On the year, this is definitely way up. So just a little bit of a heads up on that. This one is doing pretty well also. Market cap, let me look at that market cap there. Almost $250 million. I think Turbo's is a little bit more. Yeah, about 300 million. So just a heads up, these guys were running neck and neck at a time. So they may continue to do. Whoa, look at this Bitcoin, which is up to 118,000. Ethereum is at 3,000. Guys, I'm going to be honest with you. If you're just now getting into crypto, you might want to, if there's something that you want to invest in, you might want to do it as quick as you possibly can because of the fact that a lot of these are ramping up. You don't want to find yourself trying to buy crypto when it's high. That's not really good. So as this is going up, those of you who are just getting in, you might want to make a quick decision, do some research and find out the coins that you really feel are the best, because in a little while, you're not going to be able to make the profits that you're going to make now. Just a thought on that. So things are looking pretty doggone good for a lot of these. So Bitcoin dominance is at 64%. Ethereum's at 9.9%. So let's see. I'm just going to refresh this just to make sure we're looking at this properly. Yeah, pretty much the same thing. But just a heads up on this information, guys. Bitcoin being as dominant as it is and Ethereum doing as well as it is, once Bitcoin gets to a certain level where it how can I say, hits its highs and it hits its peak, so to speak. For those of us who've already been in the bull market, which is what's happening now, is as far as like, now you see a lot of people who thought the bull market was dead. Apparently, they pretty much didn't know what they're talking about. But now all of a sudden, you see Ethereum jumping up like crazy. You're like, whoa, how did it get to 3,000? But a lot of people, if people can't see it, then they can't understand it. That's the challenge that you have to deal with. But for those of us who've already had the experience with this, we already know it's just a matter of time, which is why a lot of us were already DCAing big time, just dollar cost averaging. Now let's go ahead and start taking a look at some information with Turbo. Turbo price prediction. Turbo sees breakout signs as volume surges 200%. So this was on July the 7th. Just a little bit of a heads up on what's going on here. The Turbo is starting to get stirred up as far as like it's a lot of trading going on. So do not be surprised as you see this one go up. Now, let's go ahead and look at the meme coins, top meme coins to watch now. This is from July 7th as well. Notice right here that Toshi is at the very top of that. This looks like a silly little picture. But that one big, beautiful bill is going to help a lot of crypto investors, just to be honest with you. Now, so right here it says top meme coins to watch now. Now, so Toshi is causing a stir in the base ecosystem by providing developers with valuable tools, not simply memes. After its original developers abandoned it, Nero has made a remarkable resurgence as community-driven aspirations become a new brand. So they're just talking about the different ones that are in effect. So Toshi is going on here. Let's see. Ingenious was named after Bitcoin creator Satoshi Nakamoto and Coinbase CEO Brian Armstrong's pet. Toshi is a meme coin with a cat motif on base. So Coinbase's L2 network. Although it might appear just to be another entertaining cryptocurrency, Toshi is quite formidable. It powers an ecosystem of tools. In other words, it has utility as well as just being a meme coin, including a multi-sender, a token locker, a launch pad, a liquidity locker, swap, and more, enabling decentralized growth and real utility inside Base. So just a bit of heads up, says in early 2025, the coin was added to Bybit spot market through a community vote, and Kraken also boosted its support, highlighting the expanding accessibility of exchanges. These newer listings are directly fueling trade activity and fresh community interest. If only we could get a Binance listing, but I don't know whether Binance really wants to work with Toshi because Toshi is a part of Coinbase. I don't know if we're going to see that cooperation ever. Just saying, I'm just being honest with you. Now, let's keep it moving a little bit, talk about some Turbo as far as like this is from the X website. I saw some good information here. This is talking about the official Turbo Tangent wallet. Is more than just a cool cold wallet. Statement, so on your keys, on your future, powered by Tangent. So Tangent is getting a lot of positive press, a lot of positive advertisement as well. So just a little bit of a heads up on that. And it looks like it's got a nice little partnership with Turbo. So guys, keep that in mind. Keeping it moving. Going a little bit, talk about some more here. We got our good friend Toshi as well. Take a look at our meme cat. Let's go ahead and give our cat a chance to, how can I say, woo! Might be some pretty interesting there. Let's see. Well, anyways, we've got a lot of great artwork on the site as well, and a lot of great things happening for Toshi. I think we're just going to keep it moving a little bit, kind of. Oh, here's one other thing. There was an event right here that we want to talk about very quickly. It says the top meme coin by trading volume on Kraken app. Okay, gets in the rear view window. Okay, so we want the blue cat Toshi on the wing. So they're doing a trading volume contest, looks like, and so Toshi is asking you to enter that if you are in the Kraken family. Just a little bit of a heads up on that as well. Now let's keep it moving somewhat. Going to the Turbo website, we already seen this several times, but we don't want to dwell on it too hard. I'm just going to take a peek in the merch shop. Maybe we got something interesting there today. Shifting gears, yep. So still got the nice Turbo shirts, product updates. So it looks like big things are coming. So I'm not going to try to go any further into that one because it looks like that's all they got in the merch shop. Let's go back to the home site and remind us of the gigantic, this is like the Turbo Chain, Turbo Swap. We got Aurora, Near, you got your swap here, 125 plus spot exchanges. Turbo, absolutely. And notice Turbo is on Binance and Coinbase, and KuCoin probably, hopefully it will get a Robinhood listing as well. But just saying, man, this thing is doing well and it's going to be doing even better. Remember, we're really not at the height of any type of bull market as of yet, not even the height of we're not at the height of a Bitcoin market as far as the bull market. We're not at the height of the altcoin market. We're not at the height of any market right now as far as bull run. But we know this is basically the start of it. You can tell, by all the signs. Instead of the one of the biggest signs is when crypto meets its all-time high. Then all of a sudden, a lot of people are going to start pushing into this that have never seen it before. I got to be honest with you, especially for those of us who are part of the Western world. As far as it's concerned, one of the only ways we're going to be able to stay ahead is to be able to make investments. And investments are the only thing that's going to give us some of the financial means that we need to stay ahead. So, guys, if I were you, I would keep investing, doing what we're doing. So, tremendous website here, plethora of a whole lot of items here. We're not going to be able to run through all of that. Toshi, nice little website as well. Base to base. I wish they pushed this a little bit more. They're doing a pretty good job, but I feel like they also put out several other meme coins, but they need to kind of represent the fact that, hey, this is our main guy. It's doing great though. I'm not mad at them about it, but I'm just saying, like, yeah, push the other ones, but push Toshi more than the other ones should do. I'm not having any problem with that. Coinbase, Bybit, Kraken, Mex. We got Gate.io. We got Crypto.com, KuCoin, Orbit, Coinbase Wallet. Got several of these. So just a heads up on some of the Toshi markets. So got a lot of beautiful artwork here as well. So just a heads up on what's happening with Toshi. Want to keep all these things in mind. Trying to see if there's anything else we want to talk about with this, but mainly, I think we made our case. The main thing is, we got the 1 year and 1 month. I want you guys to keep in mind that right now, this is like a turning point. And up to this point, I'm going to say it right here. If you notice, this is a break even over the month sign. So just a heads up on this. This is a good time to get in right now because of the fact that you have the opportunity to make money. It's been down for a while, and it's just now starting to get into the green. So it's just a heads up. Good opportunity right there for Turbo. Now let's go back to Toshi a little bit. See if I can reload the page. Give it just a moment. Now, in this particular case with Toshi as well, let's see, we got our 1 day, we got our, 1 month. Now, also over the month, this is another one over the month that's kind of just breaking even. So just a heads up, this is a great opportunity to, get in or to dollar cost average, because at this particular time, you're going to be able to make some moves. All right, guys, so just a heads up, these are going to be 2 of the most popular meme coins of the bull run season, and they're doing fantastically well so far. Now they're making the actual turnaround that we expected. But those of you who have been DCAing, and now that you're seeing your averages as far as like your profits go up in value, congratulations. Just keep that in mind. But anyways, let's just make sure that we keep our eyes on Turbo Toshi. These guys, I call them the double T's. But anyways, I like to put them both together because they're very similar market caps, and they are, nice little meme coins. I like them both, and so I think they're going to do very well. So Al, Real Life Investing, keep up the good work, and congratulations on those who are seeing their Turbo Toshi values go up. Have a good one. Bye. Please share, like, comment, and subscribe to Real Life Investing. And thank you for watching.